Unveiling the magic inside the Schogini Toys Laser Security Alarm DIY Kit, a world of discovery awaits. Within this petite box, a single sheet manual unfolds the secrets of your project, complete with a connection diagram. What's this nestled securely on an acrylic board? It's the heart of your project, a pre-wired, pre-programmed system ready to spring to life. An LDR module, a pre-programmed CPU, a buzzer, and a laser module all mounted on a breadboard hooked to a battery holder. Just add 3 AA batteries, flip the switch, and voila, your project comes alive. Just like a real-world laser security alarm system, all it needs is a well-aimed laser beam on the LDR module to arm the system. Any disruption and your alarm springs into action. With a little creativity, you can transform this into attractive cardboard models for school science projects and exhibitions. This kit makes it easy to create fun, interactive, and authentic real-world models. So why wait? Dive in and let the world of science come alive with the Schogini Toys Laser Security Alarm DIY Kit.